Can I turn off the beep noise on my front-loading GE washer and dryer? My kids nap right next to the laundry area and it is super frustrating.
Hello, my name is XXXXX Thank you for choosing our service. May I have the unit's model number to better assist you?
WCVH 6600 HWW washer and similar dryer DCVH 660A0WW.
On the washer, this is all I have. Does not say you can turn off, but try it. Use the signal button to change the volume of the end of cycle signal. Press the button until you reach the desired volume. For the dryer, press signal to select low, medium or high volume, or to turn the beeper off.
I did already have that information, so it doesn't help me. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for trying to help me.
You can turn the dryer off, but not the washer. You can only turn it down.
Thanks so much for trying to help. I guess my next step is prying the thing open and breaking whatever makes the beep.
Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.